let's talk about plunking, feather plunking. Let's check out Noah's right wings. You can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and also this one, 5. You can see this one, he did that himself, but you can see good new feather coming out here. Sometimes he step on his right wings, specifically only right wings. I don't see it's feather plunking yet, but he already bite on this 4 feather. I'm not sure yet what happened, but whenever I see it, I stop him. One molting of all these feathers, we'll see what's next. But on the other hand, the left wing is okay, all okay here. You can see that. So what do you think?